Shorty be catching mood swings.
Every time I see her like a movie, tryna chop it up like Bruce Lee.
What's up YouTube, Flex Stuff 8 another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to be reviewing the GeminiJets SkyWest CRJ-700. I know that this model came out a while ago, but I barely got it a week ago, but I was in Hawaii, so now I'm back, and yeah, let's get into the review. And I will be releasing a trip report as soon as I can. I just got to figure out how to edit it, and that should be released soon, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Nicely packaged by Waffle Collectibles. As you guys know, Waffle Collectibles usually gets their NG models first, but usually takes them a super long time to receive their GeminiJets, which is kind of unfortunate. But the model is here, and just your standard GeminiJets box. We have the GeminiJets logo, made for collectors by collectors, computer generated image of the model, should say Mitsubishi CRJ-700, SkyWest Airlines, and side views. Sounds broken. And let's open the facts right here. You guys can pause to read if you'd like. And as you guys can see, the back stabilizer is off. Kind of frustrating, but it should be an easy fix. Let's get this open. There's the models you can see. And there it is. Looks great. Love the SkyWest delivery because it comes really often to Flagstaff. Let me just fix this real quick with some super glue and we'll get back into the review. Alrighty, and just like that, we fixed the model. And as I was gluing the stabilizer back on, the front landing gear came off. So yeah, just not the best start to this unboxing, but it's a great model, not a big deal, easy fixes. So yeah, let's get into it. And as I put the box away, I'll put the flight shader effects right here for you guys. Looks like it's probably just a problem with my model because I watched a couple reviews on this aircraft and looks like no one else got theirs broken. So probably just maybe something happened during shipping. So at the front, we just have the cockpit windows, nose cone. It says operated by SkyWest at the bottom. Right there. And let's see if we can get that to focus a bit better. Not really. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Since the plane's so tiny, I don't know why, but my camera doesn't like to focus on little objects. And then right here we have the L1 door and the SkyWest titles right there. There we go, that's better. And then we have the red navigation light and the winglet right here, overwing exit, and the American flag along with the registration, November 604 Sierra Kilo. As you can see, the cargo luggage door right there under the engine. And you can see the landing gear is a bit crooked right there. Yeah. And then if we move to the back, you guys can see the SkyWest tail. It looks great. Back view, you guys can see the engines and the APU. And yeah, the right landing gear, you can see, looks pretty straight, and the left one just, I don't know what happened there, but it's all right. And then as we move to the right side, it's pretty much the same, except we got the green navigation light on this side. And registration again. Yeah, it's a great livery. Really glad that Gemini released this model. I was super surprised to see this released. I would never expect them to release a SkyWest regional in the SkyWest house livery. And there's the front view of the aircraft. You guys can see the cockpit windows and the engines and the crooked landing gear. Sky view. And let's do a bottom view. You guys will probably be able to tell the crooked landing gear. Yeah, stand hole and GeminiJets logo. Love the blue streak livery on the SkyWest, looks really nice. So yeah, overall, it's a pretty good model. Actually, it's a really good model. It's just that the mold's tiny bit defective, but glad to finally have this regional in my collection. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more. Bye.